Hi everybody, this is Kyle from Pack Your Bag with Points. I just wanted to do a quick tutorial for you on Rakuten, one of the online shopping portals that I use. Some of you, if you aren't familiar with Rakuten, you might be a little bit more familiar with Ebates. It's essentially was Ebates and then transitioned into Rakuten. I'm assuming they bought them. It's by far, in my opinion, probably the best go-to shopping portal that there is. If you are just satisfied with getting near the top cash back each time. Every once in a while, you might be able to go chase a few extra points to go with an American Airlines portal or British Airways or Virgin Atlantic. But do you really want 200 points for a $100 purchase stuck in a program that maybe you won't use that currency anytime soon? So the beauty of Rakuten is if you have Amex cards, you can convert it to earn Amex membership rewards. If you don't, you can get cash back either way. I like to get the membership rewards because I value those at least 2 or 3 cents a piece. So I know I can get more value by converting them to those points rather than cash back. So let's go ahead and get logged in. So it's a pretty straightforward process. The biggest thing people always ask is, what do I need to do different? This is about it. You start here. You save your password on your browser, and you're done. You might have noticed a pop-up just came up if I wanted to install the browser add-on. I don't really need to do that right now, but it's pretty simple. So let's say I want to shop at Disney right now. Disney I saw was offering 8%. It's always a little confusing. I get tripped up. It's always Shop Disney, not Disney. But you can see right now, instead of the normal 1% cash back, right now I'm getting 8% cash back. So what do I need to do in order to earn 8% cash back when I go to Disney to buy something? It's as simple as logging in, clicking. You're going to see, congrats, Kyle, you're on your way to earning 8% cash back. They will log your trip. Let's just say you go here, you search for whatever you want to buy. I do not want to buy a $350 Lego set. Jeez. Let's just say I want to buy this advent calendar for $45. I'm not really. I'm cheap. The kids don't need anything. We spoil them with travel and experiences, not gifts. But let's just pretend that I go in and I shop and I spend $100. What we'll see back on my Rakuten portal is on my shopping trips, you'll see it already logged the Shop Disney. That was when I was practicing. So they'll already log the Shop Disney visit. And then there'll be a check mark here about anywhere between 5 minutes and an hour after I complete that transaction. I'm not going to complete a transaction right now, so you'll see that I won't actually earn any cash back on this. But it's super simple, everybody. I mean, that's all you have to do. You just have to get in the habit of starting there. How do they work? They get a commission from the retailer. So the retailer wants to drive traffic. They assume that a shopping portal might be better than spending advertising money. So instead, they shift that marketing and advertising budget over to a shopping portal, and then they're going to pay them the commission, and they're going to share it with us. A couple other features you'll see they almost always offer a refer and earn. This is a secondary account of mine, but you can refer any of your friends and family and get $40 right now after they make some purchases, and they'll get $40 also. You can track your cashback balance. You can track your check history. Again, Rakuten, if you earn cash back, they will pay you 4 times a year. Once a quarter, they just automatically send a check as long as it's over the threshold, and it'll show up in the mail. But if instead you choose to earn Amex points, then you're just going to get Amex points automatically credited to your Amex account 4 times a year. It's pretty much that simple. Again, I can't stress enough. Set a strategy that works for you and your travel hacking goals and stick to it. It's about building a habit. It's about having that hack habit to say, I'm going to be disciplined to use this every time before I go shopping. What you don't want to do is get in the habit of, I need to go chase a couple extra points. And, maybe somebody was offering 9% back instead of 8% for Disney. Okay, that's great. But if you're going to spend $100 and you get 9% back, that's 900 points. What are you going to do with 900 United points? Or 900 British Airways Avios? It's going to be a worthless spend for you. So aggregate it, consolidate it, put it all into one program. That's the best strategy I can give you. Please reach out if you have any questions. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a good night.